Ito naman, tapat ang bracket B pa rin. Bulate Moves versus Lemon Liza X Clip Crew. Crew. Ating sa inyo yan, Switch Your New Ballers. Season 1 Papawis League Challenge is always with us. Starting 5. Pasok na po. Yung mga habol po, pwede po hanggang bago mag-start ang third quarter. Left, wait lang, left. Lemon Liza versus Bulate Moves. Shoutout ko ulit yung coach ko, Coach Shaggy, congrats. Panalo din tayo kanina. 1-0. 4-0. Start on the ball game. Rebound by Villalobos. Nakakuha ni Villalobos, pass to number 5 to Yanko. To Hopkins. Villalobos taking 3. No good. Best break ko pala to. Best break kita, boy. At naglalaro na pala ulit. No good. Salamat, Coach. Salamat, Coach. Kung anong bukal sa inyong loob, tatanggapin ko yan ng lumusan. Pass to Rebinset. No good. Rebound by Villalobos. Pass to Bosque. Pass to BJ. BJ. 14 seconds to shoot. Steal by Hatulan. Steal by Bosque. Tenorio to Javier. 17 seconds to shoot. BJ. 14 seconds to shoot. Marvina, pass to Bosque. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Yanko taking 3. No good. 8 minutes and 34. Steal by Marvina. Marvina pa rin. Marvina. Pinasa kay Yanko. Pass to Villalobos. 3 seconds violation. Natin sa inyo yan ng August Village. Kung saan maraming palaman. Get down lang, boss. 8 minutes and 9. Tones. Take it 3. Tones. 3-0. In favor of Bulate Moves in mysterious ways. Marvina to Bosque, taking 3, Bosque. No good. Rebound by Javier. Sa ilalim 2 points. Javier. 3-2 in favor of Bulate Moves in mysterious ways. Catalina taking 3, no good. Rebound by Javier. Good ball. Villalobos 2 points. RJ Villalobos. Warning, delay the game. Counted, basket count. Villalobos 4-3. Change favor. 4-3. Vincent. 2 points, Vincent Catalino. Change favor again. 5-4. 6 minutes 47, 2 points, Julian Yanko. 6-5. Kurt. Rebound by. Good ball. 2 points. 2 points. 7-6. Favor of Bulate moves. 6 vision for foul. Foul by jersey number. Thank you, boss. Coach Eddie. Foul by jersey number 19. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot is no good. Second shot, makuha kaya. Oras 6 minutes and 2. Ang ano natin, score 7-6. Basket is good. Deadlock, all 7. Deadlock, all 7. Torres, pass to bench. Intercepted. Hindi. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you. Milanios. Behind his back. Milanios, short jumper. No good. 5 minutes and 31 seconds. Deadlock all 7. Hadulan, no good. Rebound par. Rebound by Canalino. 15 seconds shoot. Torres, no good. Rebound by Hadulan. 2 points. Hadulan, 9-7. In favor of Bulate moves. Marbida, paso Bosken. 16 seconds shoot. Ang dalaman kay Javier. Change 5 na po. Change 5. Po, palit po. Yung mga may papalit. Sige po, palit po. Oras, 9-7. In favor of Bulate, dalawa. Oras, 4 minutes and 59. Yung tubig po, nasa gilid lang ha. Nasa gilid lang. Dalawa. 9-7. All 7 kanina. All 7. Basket ni Vincent Catalino kanina. 4 minutes and 53. Tones. Short number ni Tones. 2 points. Tones. 11-7. 11-7. Marbida. 18 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Milanios taking 3. No good. Rebound by Yako. 14 seconds to shoot. Javier. Slip by Javier. 13 seconds to shoot. Javier. Foul. Foul by jersey number 28. 38. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ng Bulate Moves. Paso Marbida. Taking 3. PJ Marbida. And 11. In favor pa rin ng Bulate. And 11. 4 minutes exactly. Now good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound 5. To win it. No good. No good pa rin. Rebound by PJ. Marbida. Pass to Yanko. Pass to Milanios. No good pa rin. Rebound by. Hindi ko makita ang number. To Vincent. No good. Rebound by Bosken. Binababa ang bola. Pass to Yanko. No good pa rin. Rebound by Milanios. Short number ni Milanios. No good pa rin. Rebound by. Good ball. Pass to number 28. Chumoy, number 17. 13-10. In favor pa rin. Time out. Orange. Lemonize sa in favor of Bulate. Official time, 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Back to the ball game. Natin sa inyo yan ang Switching Team Colors. Challenge is always with us. Demon Lifestyle Ball. 13-10. 13-10. 13-10. 13-10. Bosque. Pass to Marbida. 18 seconds to shoot to Yanko. Back to Marbida. Taking. 3. Nugget. 3-5. Tones. Pass to Kenneth. Not good. 3-5. Not yet. 2 minutes and 10. Double dribbling. Score 13-10. 13-10 in favor of Bulate Moves. 13-10. Exactly 2 minutes. 13-10. Pass on number 28. 28. No good. 3-5. Marbida. Pass to Yanko. Steal by Kenneth. To Catalino. Supports Vincent Catalino. 15-10. Basket down. Julian Yanko. Cover jersey number 28. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Converted and 13-15. 13-15. 13-15. 18 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul by jersey number 9 up here. First personal foul. First team foul. Never touch that. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds. 15-13. 12 seconds to shoot. Tones taking 3. Tones. 18-13. 18-13. 18-13. Marbida, 15 seconds to shoot. Toten Norio, 13 seconds to shoot. Yanko sa ilalim. No good. Timobay. Kenneth. Yage. No good. Timobay Bansa. 2 points. 19-13. 20-13, sorry. 20-13. 20-13. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Javier short number. Nawin, di ba ba Yanko? Nawin pa rin. Yanko pa rin. Foul. End of the first quarter. Pero may foul. May foul. Foul by jersey number. Sino foul? 28. 28, right? 17. Adulang, first personal foul. Free throw po tayo. Wala nang oras. Free throw na lang po yan. Two shot, Julian Yanko. First shot is you. 20-14. No good. 20-14 in favor of Bulate Moves. 20-14. Back to the ball game. Pati sa inyo ng Switching Team Colors. Challenge is always with us. Start na po. Ready. 14. Young. Crossover move. 18 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound 5. Rebound 5. Number 3. Paso Miladio sa ilalim ni reverse. No good. Rebound by Yako. Yako, 2 points. Julian Yako. 2016. 2016. 2016. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 3. Hagulang. 23-16. 23-16. Good ball. 9 minutes exactly. 2 points, BJ Marvida. 23-18. 23-18. 8 40 points. Two points. Bench, Catarino. 25-18. 25-18. Bien pala si Bien. Catarino, Bien. Foul by using number 20. Number 20, first personal foul, first team foul. 3, no good, rebound 5. Hagulan. Kenneth, steal by Yako. Yako lumipad, 2 points. Julian Yako, 23-20. 23-20. 7 minutes and 48 seconds. 25, 20, 25, 20. Steal. 25, 24. 25, 20. 25, 22. 25, 22. Saan na likod ko? 25-22, 15 seconds to shoot. Back to Adulan, taking 3. Nugget, rebound by Martina. Now na si number 3. Timeout. Pag na-shoot, timeout po. Timeout left. Timeout. Score. 25-24. In favor pa rin ng Bulate. 7 minutes and 4. 1 point lead na lang po. Walang, may uniform na yan. May uniform na yan siya. Yung dalawa, may uniform na yan. 25-24. 1 point lead, Bulate moves. Okay po. Back to the ball game. 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Si R7 yan, si R7. R7. Twenty seconds to shoot. Steal by R7. 2 points, change by 4. Naman na po na isa. 11 lives na. 26-25. 6 minutes and 35 seconds at the second quarter. 10 second shot clock. 9 second shot clock. 7 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. 3 seconds. 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Good ball. 2 points. Julian Yako, 28-25. No good. Rebound by Martina. 6 minutes exactly. Suboy Barbida, 30-25. 15 seconds shoot. Foul. Foul with jersey number 4, RJ Milanios. RJ Milanios, first personal foul, second team foul. Level lifestyle. Shooting 2, Hadunan. First shot is no good. But against the FP. Last shot, makakuha kaya. 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Is no good. Rebound by Boya. No good. Arsete Benis back. Arsete lumipad. No good. Rebound by Adunan. 5 minutes and 35. 30-25 pa rin. Is still out of bounds. 5 minutes and 24 seconds. 15 seconds shoot. Nugget, info by Team Lagos. Standby for sub. Standby for substitution. Nugget, info by Kenneth. Pass to offensive. Change 5 na po tayo. Change 5. Offensive foul, jersey number 17. Score, 13-25. 13-25. Lamang po ang level lifestyle. Si Boss Ken. Nandiyan si Boss Ken. Pasok na po, Boss Ken. Bumili tubig. Sige, okay na yun. Okay lang. Start na po. Pasok na lang po siya sa third quarter. Ipasok na lang po sa third quarter. Milanios, taking break. Nugget, 5. Third. Ano nga ito left? Foul. Foul jersey number 18. First personal foul, Julian Yanko, 13 foul for level lifestyle. Exactly. Steve Arcete, nawala na si Yanko. Yanko, Suboy, Julian Yanko, 32-25. 32-25. Still by Julian Yanko again. Yanko na naman, Suboy, Julian Yanko, 34-25. 17-second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. Tones taking 3. Tones! 34-20. 34-20. 34-20. 13-second shot clock. Paso Milalio short jumper. 2 points. RJ Milalios. 36-28. 36-20. 36-20. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Nugget. Ibabay. Stays with Bulate moves. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Nugget. Ibabay na talino. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Tones. Traveling violation. 36-20. 36-20. 2 minutes and 5. 13 seconds shot clock. Arcete pass to Yanko. Taking 3. Julian Yanko. 39-20. 1 minute 15. Press. Ibanez. 31-39. Tawagin, di pa ba Yako? 15 seconds shot lang. Yako na naman, tawagin, di pa ba Javier? To Milanios. Milanios, Gabriel violation. Gabriel ka, RJ Milanios. 39-31. 39-31. To Adulan. Adulan, pasok Kenneth. Good boys, Kenneth. Yagi. 33-39 lamang pa rin ang Nebo Lifestyle. 1 minute exactly. Basket count by Julia. Sino? Javier. Sino foul red? Cover jersey number 9 ngayon Yagi. Get Yagi first personal foul. Second team foul. 41-33. Bonus shot, Javier. No good. Ball goes to Bullatimus in mysterious ways. 41-33. 41-33. 57 seconds left. 57 seconds left. 57 seconds left. No good. 48 seconds left. Good ball. Napipindot lang. Adulan. No good. Di ba kayo set? Foul. Foul by jersey number 13 foul. Vincent Catalino, second personal foul. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Still 5. Still by Marquina. Out of bounds. 20 seconds left. Shot lock off na po. 20 seconds left. Shot lock off. 20 seconds. Shot lock off. 20 seconds. Shot lock off. 15 seconds. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. Now give 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now the order with the score of 41-33. Usapon na third quarter. Kaya na po bala magpaikot niyan mga kaibigan. At in sa inyo yan ang special video ballers. Season 1 pa ba stick? Challenge is always with us. And also brought to you by Clip Crew sa solid na gupit. Sa angas na gupit sa court. Sa Clip Crew na. Sana silang yan pare. And also brought to you by Honey Monte by Pastor Arzen. Sa solid na honey. Sa maraming benefits para sa ating kalsugan. Honey Monte na. PM lang sa page. Pastor Arzen Aguilar. Back to the ball game. Official score 41-33 in favor of Lemon Lifestyle X Clip Crew. Ako rin, pahingi. Joke lang. Third quarter na po. Start of the third quarter. Marbida. Fake. Marbida sa ilalim. Niligan pa. 2 points. PJ Marbida. Grabe, mga galaway dati. 43-33. Nugget. Di ba bay? Milanios. Pass for Arcete. 1-on-1 kay Vincent. Short number na Arcete. 2 points. Arcete. 45-33. 17 seconds to shoot. Catalino, foul. Foul by jersey number 9, Javier. Second personal foul. First team foul of Lemon Lifestyle. Cheering to Vincent Catalino. First shot is good. 45-34. Last throw. para kay Vincent Catalino. No good. 1 out of 2. No good. The boys are set 47-34. No good. 2 points. 2 points. Good ball. Timeout. Timeout there. Timeout. Timeout. Bulate Bulls. Score 49-34 in favor of Lemon Lifestyle. 49-34. 49-34. 49-34. Ano ba yan? Back to the ball game. Kaya na po ba namang paikot yan? Kaya na po bahala? Wala na po mga tanori yan. $49-34. Wow, shoot. Galing na rin. Shooting 2. Vincent Catalino. No good. Zero out of 2. Vincent Catalino. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Marbida 2 points. 51-34. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Bulate. 70 seconds shoot. Kurt is steal by our center. Pasok Marbida. Marbida to Bosque. Milanios. Foul. Foul jersey number 4. Second personal foul by Milanios. 7 minutes exactly. Tones, tinako pa. Ibabay Catalino, 2 points. Vincent Catalino, 51-36. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Good ball, good ball po. Napipindot lang. Our center negative, no good. Ibabay, Milanios. Milanios. Foul. Foul jersey number 21, Boya Catalino. First personal foul, first team foul of Bulate Bulls. Marbida taking 3 all alone. No good. Rebound by Boya. Subdivision, stand by for sub. Stand by for sub. Tones. Pass to Kurt. Kurt, pass to Nogin, rebound by Milanios. Milanios to Bosque. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Milanios goes over. Milanios, 2 points. RJ, Milanios, 53-36. Stand by for some. 2 points. 5 minutes and 49. 53-38. Dead ball po ang sub. Dead ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Steal by Adulat 17 to Vincent. Nugget. Rebound by Honest. Foul. Substitution left. Substitution. Pasok po. Sino foul rep? Foul by jersey number 6. Bosque Tenorio. Okay, isa pa lang. First personal foul, second team foul. No good. Ay. Okay. Tulungan mo ako. 53-38. 53-39. 53-39. Milagros, taking three. Airball. Ball stays with Lemon Lifestyle. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Bosque taking three. Three! Tenorio. Sorry po, nagdadala ka. 56-39. 4 minutes and 50. Hadulan taking three. Three! Hadulan! 42-56. Dos lang, dos. 56-41. Foul. Ang dami. Foul. Number 80,908.95. First person foul. Second team foul. Ang pula. 56-41. 56-41. Shooting two. Javier. First shot is good. 57-41. Shot two by Javier. 58-41. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Tones to Bert. Bert pa rin. Lang kay Yanko. Nauna si Arcete. Pinigay kay Yanko. Yanko na lang pa kaya. No good. Sabi siya, gak-gak mo na lang eh. Adulan. Pass to Koya. Pass to Vincent. Foul! Foul ba dyan si number 9? Javier, third personal foul by number 9. Third team foul by Lemon Lifestyle. Third personal foul na na, Javier. Substitution, pag pumasok, sub po. Pag pumasok, sub. Sub-rep? Mamaya na po? Okay, mamaya na po. Mamaya na daw po. 42-58. Third quarter na po. Now good. Riba by card. To Arcete, lumipad. 2 points, Arcete. 60-42. Substitution rep. Sub-rep. Foul, jersey number 191 ulit. Second personal foul. Third team foul. No, Bulate. Second shoot. Adulan taking three. No good. Rebound by Yanko. Yanko, no good pa rin. Rebound by Kenneth. Adulan, no good. Rebound by Catalino. 2 points, Catalino. 60-44. Libre na si Javier sa ilan. No good! Sayang yun. So release ko Javier. Time out. Oras. 3 minutes and 5. No good. Press. 2 points. Pwede siya sa kabila na? Wala no? Arcete. Milagros short jumper. Kumama sa board. Nagmamadali si Kenneth. Pinigay kay Vincent. Out of bounds. Time out. Lemon Lifestyle. Exclusive. 62-44 pa rin. 62-44 in favor of Lemon Lifestyle Ice Cream Crew. Back to the action. Hatid sa inyo ng Switcher Team Colors. Season of Power Snake Challenge is always with us. Maraming salamat po. $62.44. Busquets, paso Javier, no good, rebound by 17. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. No good, rebound by Yanko. Yanko nagmamadali. Last 2 minutes. Milalios, your number 2 points. RJ Milalios. 64-44. 17 seconds to shoot. Tones. Steal by Javier. 2 points are setting. 66-64. Sakit na likod ko. 17 seconds. Shoot. 1 minute and 24 seconds. Now you. Rimabay. Milalios. Pass na nagkapasa ng anak. 2 points are set. Assist by Milalios. 68-44. Not good. Rimabay ako. 57 seconds left. Steal by Atulan. No good pa rin, rebound by Javier. 43 seconds. No good pa rin. Isa, may time natin. 13 seconds na lang. 37 seconds na lang. 2 points, Moya Catalino. 46-68. Pabay niya si number 17. 17, dalawa ka na. Warning for penalty. Volante Hoops. Shot lock off na tayo. Shooting 2. Rizalino. Milalios. 18 seconds. Shot lock off. First shot is good. 18 seconds. 69-46. Shot lock off, 17 seconds, out of bounds. 14 seconds left. 14 seconds left. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 2, 1. Basket count are set. Score 71-46. To the ball game for our final quarter. Final quarter na po, 71-46. Labangan Lemon Lifestyle Ice Cream Crew. Ang sakit. Sakit na likod ko. Kailangan ko ng bagawaan ko. Ay ka. Aray, huwag naman. Kenneth, Tuhadulan, taking 3. No good. Rebound by Tubalbasar, taking 3 din. No good. Busquets. Pass to Yanko. Lumipad. 2 points to Yanko. 73-46. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Demo Lifestyle. 9 minutes and 26 seconds na lang. 9 minutes and 26 na lang. 9 minutes and 26. Arsete. Tumalbina. Taking 3. No good. Rebound Nino. Rebound Kasar. To Vincent. Catalino. Vincent Catalino. No good. Rebound Barianco. 9 minutes and 5. 17 second shot clock. Bosque taking 3. No good. Rebound by Baltasar. 73-46. Foul. Foul by jersey number 18, Julian Yanko. Second personal foul, first team foul. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kayo ni Baltasar. 1 out of 2, Baltasar. 73-47. Basket down by Julian Yanko. Foul by jersey number 7, Catalino. Third personal foul, first team foul, Lopolate. 75-47. Old shot is good by Julian Yanko. 76-47. 8 minutes exactly. 8 minutes exactly. 12 seconds shoot. Baltasar no good. Rebound by Adulan. 3. Adulan. 76-50. 76-50. 76-50. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Marpita. 2 points, Tones. 52-70. 70 steal by Baltasar. Steal again by Arcete, block by. Sorry, Rep, hindi ko makuha sa petal likod ko eh. Sorry, Rep, ha? 6 minutes and 55 seconds. 15 second shot clock. 15 second shot clock. 6 minutes and 48. 15 second shot clock. Marpita. 13 seconds to shoot. 2 points up here. 80-52. Out of bounds. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. 80-52. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 second shot clock. No good. 8 seconds to shoot. 2 points up here. 82-52. 5 minutes and 58 seconds. 5 minutes and 52 seconds. 15 second shot clock. Steal by Javier. Steal again by Baltasar. 5 minutes and 45. 2 points. Vincent Catalino. 54-82. 54-82. 2 points to Yanko. 54-84. 54-84. Steal again. No good. Rebound by Adulan. To Vincent. Vincent. 2 points. 84-56. 84-56. Arcete. 5 minutes and 5 seconds left. Javier. Arcete taking 3. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Yanko. 14 seconds to shoot. 3. Julian Yanko. 87-56. 87:26. Stand by for stop. Stand by for stop. 4 minutes and 43 na lang. 4 minutes and 43.